we go. Yeah. Go home.
Nice, lady. Nice.
That's all right. It goes red, it starts counting. That's how long the video is.
Oh,
And
okay.
when you want to stop filming, just push the button again.
Okay.
Nice, ladies.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, what was those little things where you got to rate it on? We got Kennedi up to hit. Hits a foul ball, that's okay. Can it hear us talking in the background?
What's that?
Can it hear us talking in the background?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Okay, Kennedi. We have Kennedi, 53. Doing good. One strike, one ball. We got 2 outs. Hopefully she doesn't turn it to 3.
Yeah. Oh, that was out? Darn it.
Hits a foul ball
A little bit, KB.
by like a couple inches. Foul ball, but that's okay. She can hit another dinger.
Hey, you got it, kid. Let's go. Base hit.
Okay. Let's see.
Yeah, keep fighting.
Another foul ball. That's okay. That's okay. Got 2 strikes, 1 ball, 2 outs.
Go, kiddo.
Hits a dinger.
Great work, KB.
Hits a.
I heard that girl's being recruited by Oklahoma State.
Ooh.
That girl that just hit that triple, I heard she's the most amazing hitter in the world.
Oh my god. She hit it to right field?
A left field.
Hit it to left field
Yeah, to
and
the fence.
got a third and got an out to the fence. Got how many home? 2 home, and yeah. Now we're switching
Yeah.
because that was our last out.
Best hitter in the world right there.
You're glazing.
She's gonna make $1 million.
You're
That's
glazing. Okay, you guys, we are back with another video. The Seagulls, aka our team, are back on the field. Kennedi hit a triple and got out on third, but brought 2 home. Very good, very good. Left field all the way to the fence. So we're back and they are in the field and I think they are gonna smoke it. Kennedi is currently gonna be catcher. So yeah. Is LJ out there?
Let's see. No, I think she's on the bench this time.
Okay, LJ is on the bench. He needs a little rest to keep up that energy. Good, good, good. But
You should go interview her.
I should.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh my god. Okay, you guys, we are gonna go interview. We're gonna go interview CJ. LJ, because that's what her dad wanted to. LJ, your dad wanted to interview you.
Oh my god, my dad?
Yes, so we're gonna interview you.
Alright, so what should I say?
Say your name, your age, and how you.
My occupation?
Yes, and how you think the game is going so far, and if you guys are gonna win.
Okay.
Shut up.
Oh, okay, so my name is LJ. I'm number 30. I'm 15, and I think we're totally gonna win, no doubt in my mind. And then I think the game is going great. We are totally on top of it. We are crushing dreams over here. And then, what else do I have to say?
I have an interview question. Just say, what's your favorite thing in softball?
My favorite thing in softball?
Running the bases, probably.
It's the team. It's like a family.
Okay, so next question.
Yeah.
How did you think Kennedy's hit was?
Kennedy's hit was a bomb. One of the greatest hits yet today and yesterday and the whole tournament. Great hit.
So do you think?
Do I what?
Did you have something that included energy?
Energy?
Yeah. Did you get some energy?
Oh no, I got water all over me though from this thing.
Another
hot.
question.
Yes, another question.
How do you feel about if we come back tomorrow?
When we come back tomorrow.
Yes, when we come back tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Or do you want me to do another interview to see how it's going?
Oh, no doubt, of course. Yes, another interview for everybody.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Thank you.
Goodbye, people. It was good. Hey, you guys, we are back. None of you are even watching this video, but we're trying our best, trying to be like YouTube. And after the break, pretty good. They were just chit-chatting for a couple, like a second or two. But number 19 on the other team is currently batting, and yeah, we're doing.
No. Okay, they marked it wrong.
What are they doing up there? Sleeping?
Seriously.
I mean, they're in the air conditioner.
Exactly.
Anyways, we have. Huh? I am. We currently have. Oh, she was switching sides. I thought she was out. Oopsies. Wait, was she out?
Oh. That's what she was hoping.
She was out. What? No, she wasn't. I don't know what I'm talking about, you guys. But, anyways.
Change it up, folks. Change it up.
Next up to bat, I don't know. Her hair is in there. Golf carts in the back. Anyways, if you guys didn't know who this man was, this is LJ's dad.
That's me.
Very good man. Next.
Thank you. It's good to hear a woman finally say that about me.
I don't know about.
Said he's a good man.
She turned the camera.
Yeah!
Nice job, ladies.
Nice hustle, KB.
Okay, so we just got number 5 out.
So if you saw that, that was
job,
the world's
29,
greatest batter
53.
who just acted like the world's greatest catcher. Got that out for us.
She turned the camera. What's your wife's name?
Paige.
Paige. She turned the camera and she's like, "This is LJ's dad. He's a good man." He goes, "It's probably nice to hear a woman say that."
It's the only one.
Anyways,
So nonchalant.
KB, aka my sister, and 29 pitcher, I don't know her name, but just got number 5 out on home base. Very good teamwork, if you ask me. And yeah, we'll see where the road takes us. We have 1 out.
Sammy.
But yeah, I don't know the girl that's batting on the other team because I can't see.
What's 29's name?
Sammy.
Sammy.
Okay.
I just hate screaming 29. I'd rather know her name.
So, we currently found out the pitcher's name. KB and Sammy got number 5 out at home plate. I had to say that again. I didn't know the pitcher's name. But yeah, the pitcher's name is Sammy. So yeah, pretty good, pretty good. So currently, this girl has been batting for the Nets. I don't know.
Come on.
2 balls, 2 strikes, 1 out. So the game's going pretty good so far. I'll update you guys when something good happens. Goodbye. Okay, we are back. The girl that I didn't know her name that was batting forever, she got out at first. She bunted and KB threw it to first baseman. Wait. Yeah. And they tried to get someone out at home, but the first baseman threw it too late. So
I'm gonna have to pause. I don't know how much room he's got on the other side.
But yeah, so we have number 2 batting.
Oh. I hit her.
Hit her?
Yeah, hit her leg.
Darn.
But yeah, one of the girls, number 2, got hit in the back of her leg, so she's at first right now. And 88 on the other team is currently batting now. To update you, we have two strikes. I mean, 2 outs. My bad, 2 outs. Yeah. And 88 just hit a foul ball.
That's strike 1.
AKA strike 1.
It's same thing.
Yeah, basically. But yeah. So, let's see.
Nice!
First.
All right.
Yeah. 88 just hit it to the pitcher and threw it to first, and now we have 3 outs, and we are switching. We are at, what inning are we in?
This is going to be the top of the third.
Inning. Okay, you guys, we're going to interview KB. Hopefully she says yes. If no, that's okay. Kennedi, LJ's dad wanted to interview for this thing he's making. He wants to interview the team. Told me to interview you. So, I'm going to ask.
I got some.
So, I'm going to ask you your name, where you're from, and how you think the game is going. Go ahead.
My name is KB. I'm from North Carolina, and I think the game's going good.
Do you think we'll come back tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay. LJ was hyper.
I
And
forgot to say it. I'm from Minnesota.
what?
I'm from Minnesota. I forgot to say that.
And that is KB. Just got interviewed. And we'll be back with the next team member. So what's your name?
Gabrianna Arrighi.
How old are you?
I'm 15.
And where are you from?
I'm from Boston, Massachusetts.
Okay. Do you think we're gonna be back tomorrow?
I think we definitely will be.
What's your name?
Sammy? I love you interviewing me. Oh yeah, you gotta interview the coach.
What's up? This is a stud right here. She just pitched 3 awesome innings. We're about to get some more runs. Am I right? Let's go!
How old are you?
15.
And where are you from?
New Jersey.
Do you think we're gonna be here tomorrow?
Yeah.
Viewers. Is that working? Okay, now you're the camera person.
Hey, the fans want to know.
Yeah, fans want to know how you guys feel right now.
Coach, get in there.
Yeah, get in there. Talk to him. Oh, I'm going to do it? Okay, Gabby, how are you feeling right now?
I feel great. I'm so confident for tomorrow. We're gonna win the whole thing.
For sure. For sure. And?
Very confident.
All right.
Very confident.
Okay, now, you can't everybody just say very confident. You're going to have to get a little creative.
Very confident.
Feeling aggressive?
Yeah.
Yeah? Feeling dangerous?
Yes.
All right.
W's up in the house.
W, we're going to get creative?
Feeling great.
Yeah, we're going to sacrifice the body, leave it all on the field. There we go.
We did great.
What do you get? Come on now. You're the big sister.
And I'm ready to eat.
You're hot. You know what? I appreciate your honesty. That's good.
Yep.
That's good. And where's Figgy? There's
Hey!
the master of disaster.
Oh my gosh, it's their show. I'm just here.
Okay, now we got some questions for the Fig
What do you
Meister.
think we're gonna do tomorrow?
So tomorrow, I'm feeling confident too, but we covered that already.
Yeah.
I'm feeling happy,
Yeah?
and I'm feeling just overwhelmed with all this joy that I see smiles on everyone's faces.
Okay,
Yeah,
now, Figgy, we have all noticed you have one characteristic that seems to always come through, and that is your undying optimism. How do you maintain that positivity?
how do I maintain it?
Yeah.
Well, I see all the negativity around us, and I want to counter that because why would we tear ourselves down even more?
Okay.
Everyone's against us. We're the underdogs. We are the
underdogs.
root for ourselves. Yeah.
But much like a seagull, right? You're gonna discount them. You're not gonna think they're much, and then they're gonna come steal your sandwich.
That's exactly right.
That's
We're
right.
stealing everyone's sandwich. We're stealing everyone's sandwich.
That's right. All right. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it.
Okay, Kennedi, what is your favorite topping and what's your least favorite topping? On pizza.
Oh, I'm in the back of that. My favorite's pepperoni, and I don't have a least favorite.
Just say one. We know you like everything. Anyways, next.
Okay.
What's your favorite and least favorite?
My favorite is extra cheese. My least favorite is anchovies.
We got one.
Okay. My favorite's pepperoni. My least favorite's probably like pineapple.
What's the question?
What's your favorite topping and your least favorite topping?
My favorite topping is probably. I don't know. I don't know what my favorite topping is. Probably like basil. I don't know.
Okay. What's your least favorite?
My favorite is probably my least favorite. Probably mushrooms.
Okay. What's your favorite and least favorite?
Bacon and pineapple, banana peppers. And then my least favorite.
Can you get her for me?
Please.
What's your favorite and least favorite?
My favorite is Hawaiian. I don't like olive sauce, but like any vegetable.
RJ. What's your favorite?
My topping. Okay. My favorite topping is cheese. Obviously, you don't eat pizza unless it has cheese. And then my favorite topping. And then my least favorite topping is either big mozzarella pieces or like big pieces of basil.
What's your favorite and least favorite?
My favorite is probably plain cheese, and then my least favorite pineapple. My favorite is like I say like cheese, like pepperoni. My least favorite is anything with mushrooms. No, you don't like. They don't have a. I don't like pizza. Mushrooms don't have a taste.
Who doesn't? Anyways, that's the Big Back Squad's favorite and least favorite. I just did. Say your name and what you got.
Okay, my name is LJ, and I got a plain cheese pizza and a Coke, or cherry Coke.
And you?
My name's Gabby. I got a kid's cheese pizza with light sauce, extra cheese.
Your name and what you got.
My name's Riley, and I got the pig too, the cheesy bread, and a build your own pizza.
My name's Sammy. I got a margarita pizza, Caesar salad, and a cherry Coke.
My name's Mia, and I got half a pizza with banana peppers and a Caesar salad. My name's Addie, and I got a cheese pizza.
My name's Armorel, and I got a Caesar salad. My name's Kallie, and I got a pepperoni pizza.
Oh no. Your name and what you got to eat and drink.
My name's Alanna, and I got cheese
My bad.
and pizza.
KB, and I got pepperoni sausage and lemonade.
The biggest back of the bunch. Anyways.
My name's Tiggy, and I got ham and pineapple, and I got lemonade.
Is it going? Okay. My name is Coach Figgy, and I got pizza with salami, spinach. She's not a fan of the spinach, but that's okay. Salami, pepperoni, and green pepper, and then I got lemonade to drink.
Okay, lemonade was good, but I don't know about
Are you recording? You are. Okay. All right, sports fans. We're in the last day of the National Softball Championships. We've got the two greatest softball teams in the world playing each other right now. And it's the Seagulls versus the Seminoles. I don't think it's really fair, myself, that there's going to be a bird going up against an Indian warrior. But we're going to do the best we can. And so far, we're killing it. Hang in there.
And then we are currently in the field. So it's 0-0, first inning, top of the first inning. And yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, excuse me. Two strikes, 1 out, because third baseman caught the ball. Very good catch. Very good catch. And yeah. Oh, she hit the ball. Out.
All right.
Yeah, 2 outs. Okay, friends, we currently have 2 outs. And I will update you when. Okay, we're back and our team is up to bat.
We beat them, right? Yeah, it's single elimination. If you lose, you're going home.
And what 75 name?
Armorel.
Armorel.
Yeah.
Number
All right, let's go, 75. You got a kid?
Armorel is up to bat.
Base hit, let's go.
It's a single elimination, so if we get out, we're done. We're eliminated. Hopefully, we don't do that.
Good eye. Good eye.
Well, yeah. So she's doing pretty good. Her stance is good.
Have fun with it, kid. Let's go.
This is our first hitter. We just got in to the bottom of the second inning. So yeah.
Seemed high to me.
It was to her shoulder. I mean, not her shoulder, her, what do you call this? Elbow.
There you go. Good cut, good cut.
Come on, you got this.
We're doing pretty good.
Oh, we'll take that.
Very nice. Way to take that, kid.
Takes a base because she got hit in her leg. Way to take it, way to take it.
So we have 5 slots for the whole headquarters. So they were
Okay, next up to bat, we got 45. Her name's Mia.
They're like now. I mean, I've got like 196 slots. Oh, okay.
No, I'm good.
Right? Oh, Mom. Mama, this is the ump that takes forever to call. Stop.
Come on.
Keep your head on it, kid. You got it.
You got it. Come on.
What happened to your arm?
It's so hard.
Oh my gosh, you should have done that.
You gotta stretch your shirt out.
Yep.
I cut my
You look like
hands
a seagull. It's like a wing.
Hopefully we have the other dude in our strike.
All right, let's go, Tig. Base hit, kid.
You got it, Tig.
Tig is up next. Forgot to say that. 2 balls, 1 out. We're doing good so far. I don't know if I said this, but we're on the bottom of the first inning.
I'll make her think about it.
Come on, 33!
Come on, 3.
Can I get my cup of ice now? Can I get my cup of ice now? Why?
Can you just sit here for a whole game and not say a word?
All right, 33. Base hit, kid. Let's go.
Oh, no, come on.
What's 33's name? What's 33's name?
33?
Sammy.
She eating him up on the outside.
All right.
gotta be kidding me. Are you serious? Come on. That's alright, we move on to third.
Oh, I can't watch.
We just need a point.
I'm sorry, I can't watch.
We just need a point. That's all we need.
Oh, let it hit you.
Yep, there we go. That's what I like. Open up first for that drop kick strike.
I would have moved my foot a little bit. I got limb further. What about me? Dad, look at yourself. Can I see him?
No, I can't watch.
My mom over here is psyching out. Because she's currently scared we're going to lose. But I know we're going to win. I feel it.
All right.
I need her to hit it right
Yeah.
between, right in the middle.
Base hit. All we need is a base hit. Or a grand slam. Either one. I'll take it.
How do you think the game is going so far?
I think it's going awesome. We got Gabby, number 34. She's the best hitter on the planet, and she's up to bat with bases loaded. We're about to bring this home. I'm feeling real good.
Let's go.
Oh my God, Dad.
You gotta pump it up.
Bases are loaded, so hopefully,
Come on.
hopefully
That's Space Coast.
she hits a grand slam so we can bring all these home. Bro, imagine she hits a grand slam.
Come on, Gabby, you got this.
I'm gonna
Bring 'em on, Gabby.
literally gonna cry.
Have fun out there.
Come on, 3-4, let's go!
You got it, kid. Have fun. Base hit. All day.
This would be a legendary home run.
Yeah. Nice!
Let's go!
Way to knock it, Gabby!
We needed that.
Hey, they ain't cheering over there.
Oh, Kennedy.
Okay, we're back. Hit the video.
Bring her home. Come on.
Oh, how did you think about that?
There we go! Nice hit, Kennedy!
How do you think about 34's hit?
I think it was amazing. It got us 3 runs, and this amazing woman, she just got the 4th run. So, I mean,
Keep it up. 3-6.
they're going to make $1 million playing this sport.
Now we got 36 up. Hopefully she hits it good too. Hopefully. Woo! What time is it?
Oh, sorry. You got this. 3-6.
Kenna, it's my turn. It's 10:15.
She's recording. Hold on.
You know what we should have
How about
done?
we do
We should
this?
have had a speaker and put eagle sounds on every time someone hit a grand slam.
Yeah.
When we get out, you switch. And when they get out, you switch. Yes, it goes every other. That way you guys don't have to argue about time. You're gonna fall backwards. I'm gonna laugh.
She's gonna say that's a strike.
Are you serious right now? You got this. 3-6. Are you serious right now?
Okay, two strikes, 2 balls, 2 outs. Okay. And we're winning.
Nice!
Yeah!
Oh, that's all right.
back with you. My sister gets the camera next. Goodbye. So, do you think we're gonna win?
Yeah.
Okay.
It might be close, but we're gonna win.
And
we're gonna go into the championship.
Do you think you're gonna win the championships?
I think so. I think so. No doubt about this game, but I have to see the other team. But I think we still win.
Do you think?
I have to cheer, okay? But podcast me like when I'm back, okay? Because I'm almost up, okay?
I think LJ is about to steal. She's on first, so we're gonna see if she steals. Okay, they're practicing pitching. Coach is over there. Right there.
Hey, 7-5, have fun with it, kid. Have fun. That's all you gotta do. Base it. Have fun.
Addie. I can't talk to you. Stay away. Super late, okay?
Go.
Whatever it is, you can hit it.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Okay,
All right, let's go,
I think she's
Seagulls.
gonna steal, but Lon has to steal first. She's on first, like I said, and Lon is on second. Dad, who's up to hit? Dad, who's up to hit? I think it's Addie up to hit. So.
Bench is killing me.
So if she would like to pitch, can she hurry up? She's on first, and Alana's on second. Addie's up. Nolan, last name? Oh, she's still. She's still.
I like it,
At third now. She's at third now. Home base.
Swing the bat.
All right, let's go, 7. Base hit, kid. Let's go.
Bring her home.
No.
Oh, no.
It's close. Let's go.
We're winning 5-1. So we're winning 5-1. And after that, I think we're going to go to championships. Okay, now.
Come on, 7-5, bring her home.
All right, 7-5. Have fun. Hey, there you go. Way to make contact, kid.
Let's go, Armorel, 7-5.
Come on, going out there. Have fun with it. You got it.
Let's oversee the
Yes, you having fun?
Coach, we go in the finals.
I like that. Let's finish what we started here, and then we'll talk about the next game, right?
Absolutely.
All right.
You'll never believe what happened yesterday on the way home.
Is it something have to do with pizza on top?
My name is Addison. I'm from Chicago, and I think the game's going pretty good. I mean, it's 6-1, and I think the 5th inning, and I hope we make it to the championship. Knock on wood. But yeah, is that good?
Yep, go.
My name is Tigist Huckaby. I'm from Washington State, and this game is actually going pretty good. We're doing really good in defense, and I think we're doing pretty good, like base running and hitting. I think that we will make it, but we gotta stay focused in this game before we worry about the next one.
I'm from Dallas, Texas, and we're doing really good. our defense is good. And I think we're going to go to the championship and we're going to get first.
I think we got this game. It's 6-1 right now. We're already in the 5th inning. So I think we're going to go to the championship and hypothetically win it all. Because I can't say that, but and I'm from Louisiana. Yeah, 16-hour drive. That's kind of it. Yeah.
Go.
I'm in Indiana. I think the game is actually going really great. We just need to keep the energy up. It's kind of dying a little bit, but and then we're 100% making the championship. We're gonna absolutely kill the other team.
Go.
I'm Gabrianna Arrighi. I'm from Boston, Massachusetts. I think we're doing very well, and I think we're going to win the championship.
My name's Ian Johnson, and my daughter is LJ. She's number 30, and she's playing shortstop right now. And right now the game's going awesome.
Hey, reset, Gabby,
we're going
you got
into
it,
the
kid.
bottom of the 5th inning, and we're up 6-1. Do I think we're going to make it to the championships? Yeah, absolutely. Of course, I do. Yeah. I think it's going great. I couldn't be happier. Let's wrap this up. Seagulls.
All right, Steve Bowman. I'm KB's dad, number 53. The score is currently 6-1. We've got 8 minutes left in the game. I think we're going to the ship. Let's go.
You say it.
All right, here's a rules question for you.
Yep.
Okay, my name's Sammy. I'm from New Jersey, and the game's going pretty good. It's 6-1, so if we score 2 runs, it's over. That's ridiculous. But she's fine. And I think we have a pretty good chance at winning the championship.
My name's KB.
What else?
Where are you from?
I'm from North Carolina, and I think the game is going good, and I think we're going to win.
Go.
My name's Alaina. I'm from Maryland, and I think the game's going good and that we're going to win the championship, or go to the championship.
Got LJ up to bat. I repeat, LJ up to bat. Ball one. Hits a foul ball. And that is the end of LJ running. She hit a triple.
My name is Caroline Figueroa, also known as Coach Figgy. I'm from Naples, Florida, but we're here in Vieira. Hopefully this rain holds up. And what was the second question you asked me?
No. How do you thought this game
How did the game go?
Yeah.
Okay, well, the scoreboard shows a good 8-1, and we ended early because we got a little mercy rule action, so that was awesome. The girls really stayed together. They were getting hit after hit. They were running bases. They were making defensive plays, and they're just amazing. I'm amazed right now.
Do you think we'll win the champions, and how do you think we'll do even if we don't, which we will?
Which we will, right?
Don't.
So I have a feeling that we will win. Not if we win, when we win. And even if we don't, if the...
Put it in the gap, kid. Come on.
There we go. Yeah! Yeah! Take it all the way! Let's go! Bring it home! Bring it home! Bring it home! Woohoo!
seasick. We're not in the sea. They got closer.
Yeah. Hold! Oh yeah! Let's move, ladies! Woo! Woohoo! That's so fun! Alright, let's go, ladies. Let's go, 7-5. You got a kid base hit. Have fun with it. Hey, get up. Hey, you see it, kid. You see it. Come on. Have fun out there, kid. Hey, believe in yourself, kid. You got it. Base hit.
You got it.
Come on, Tig.
Hey, keep your head on it, Tig. You got it.
Come on, Tig.
Hey, you know what to do, kid. Come on, put it out there. Make contact. Make contact. Good on. Take it, Eddie. Well, you got ice.
Keep it up, Seagulls!
Make contact. Trade spots, kids. Come on.
Be smart, kiddo. Be smart.
Good. Way to fight!
Come on, Tig. Cause you from me, No!
Tiggy!